As far as I'm showing you how to make this one, I will be using just the same yarn, 100% thick cotton. Now, let's start. Okay, so this is my yarn. This is my hook. One life hack, how to choose hook for your yarn. Imagine there's no recommendation on your yarn and you don't know which hook to buy or which hook to use. Well, what I usually do, I take my yarn, I take my hook, and I just measure it like that. Okay? So if I see that the level of the yarn doesn't stand out of the level of the hook, which means that they are at the same level, look, you see here, at the same level, this means that the hook and the yarn just work together great. Look, once again, I just do like that. Okay, just do like that, and here you are. You can see that it's at the same level. So you can use it. That's it.